Hi guys, welcome back to my new video, and today in this video you will learn how to make a website using HTML and CSS step by step. In this video we will create the website header section where you can see the full screen background image. At the top there is a logo and some menu on the right side. We will learn to add this hover effect on this menu. If I move cursor over this menu, you can see one line at the bottom of this menu, and the width of this line is increasing and decreasing. In the center of this web page, there is a title, some text and two buttons. I have added a beautiful hover effect on these buttons also. If I move the cursor over this button, then the background color is moving from the left side to the right side. We will learn to make this website design step by step using HTML and CSS in just 10 minutes. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Easy Tutorials if you are new on my channel. Now let's start this video. Here I have this folder, and in this folder I have one image and one logo. Here I will create a new file and I will rename it as index.html. Now I will open this file with text editor, which is brackets editor, and here we will write the basic HTML structures. So first I will write the HTML tag. In this one I will add head, and in head I will write title. So the title I am writing how to make a website, easy tutorials. After head we will write body tag. So this is the HTML structure. Next we will create a new file. So come back to the folder again and create a file and rename it as style.css. Open this file with text editor, and here we will add star, margin 0 and padding 0 and font family. Next we have to connect the HTML file with the CSS file. So we will come back in the HTML file, and here in the head tag we will add link rel stylesheet href is equal to file name of the CSS file, which is style.css. Next we will write the code in the body tag, and here we will create one div with the class name banner. Next we will copy this class name banner and come to the CSS file, add it here with a dot. Here we will add the width and height. Next we will add the background image. Here I am adding linear gradient and this color code, so it will add a colored layer over the image. Then write URL and the image file name. So the image file name is background.jpg. After that we will write background size, it will be cover, and background position will be center. After adding this, again come back to the folder and open this HTML file with Google Chrome, and you can see one image on complete web page. Next we will come back in the HTML file, and here we will create another div with the class name navbar. In this div we will create one logo, so I am using img tag and the file name is logo, and one class name which is logo. After that we will add some menu, so here I am adding ul and li. Then anchor tag, and the anchor text will be home. Simply duplicate this line and change the link text. It will be bedroom, dining, kitchen and backyard. So we have 5 links. You can see the logo and links on the web page. Next we have to add some space from the left and right side. So just come back and copy the class name navbar, write it here in the CSS file. For this one we will add the width 85% and margin auto and padding 35 pixel and 0. Display will be flex and align item center. Justify content will be space between. Now you can see some space from the left and right side, and the menu is in the right side. Now just come back and copy this class name logo, write it here. For this one we will set the width and we will add cursor pointer. Now we will write the code for the menu, so copy this one, then write ul and li. For this list we will add list style none, display inline block and margin. You can see some space between these menu. Next we have to change the color. So just come back and copy again, then write A for the anchor tag. Here we will add text decoration will be none and color white. Then text transform uppercase. Now it looks good. Next we have to add the hover effect on this menu. For that, just come back and copy this one, then write after. In this after, we will add content empty and height 3 pixel, width 100% and background this color code. Then position will be absolute, left 0 and bottom 0. It is coming at the bottom of the web page, so just come back and here in this li we will add position relative. After that, you can see these line below the menu. Next we have to add some space, so in the bottom we will add -10 pixel. Now it looks good. Next we have to hide all these line, so just come back and instead of 100% we will write width 0, so it will be hidden and it will be visible when we will take cursor. So just come back and copy this one. Here we will write hover and after, and here we will add width 100% and come to this after. Here we will add transition 0.5 seconds. After that, you can see if I move cursor over the menu, the bottom line is moving from the left side to the right side. The width of bottom line is increasing from the 0% to the 100%. So this hover effect looks beautiful. Next we will add contents in the center of this web page. So just come back in the HTML file and after this navbar we will create another div. So let me create one div with the class name content, and first we will write one title in h1. So the title is design your house. Then we will write some text in p tag. So the text is subscribe easy tutorials YouTube channel to watch more videos. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates. You can see these text on the web page. Next we have to change the position, so just copy the class name content, write it here in the CSS file. For this one we will set the width and position absolute, top 50% and transform translate y -50, so it will be vertically center. Then text align will be center, color white, and now you can see all these text in the center. We have to change the size of this font, so just come back and copy this one, then write h1. For this one we will increase the font size and we will add margin from the top. Then copy again and write p. For the paragraph we will add margin, then font weight 100 and line height 25 pixel. Now the title looks good. We will add one line break in the description, so just come back and here we will add br, so it will change the line. Now you can see the small text is coming in 2 lines. Next we will add 2 buttons, so just come back and after this p we will add one div, and in this div we will create the first button. So I am using button tag, type will be button and button text, it will be watch more. Duplicate this one and here we will change the button text, it will be subscribe. So we have 2 buttons. You can see these buttons on the web page. Next we have to design these buttons, so just come back and copy this button, write it here in the CSS file. For this one we will set the width and we will add padding. Text align will be centered and some margin. Border radius will be 25 pixels, so it will look round from the corner, and font weight will be bold and border 2 pixels solid and this color code. Background will be transparent, color white and cursor pointer. After that you can see these buttons looks good. Next we have to add the hover effect on these buttons. So we will come back and here in the HTML file, in this button we will add a span tag, span open and close. Add this one in the second button also, like this. Just copy this span, write it here in the CSS file. And for this span we will add background, this color code, and height it will be 100% and width also 100%. Border radius will be 25 pixel, same as the button, and position absolute, left 0 and bottom 0. And in this button we will add position relative. Then overflow hidden. Now you can see this colored over this button. But the button text is not visible, so just come back and in this span we will add z-index -1. Again refresh the web page and you can see the button text is visible. So right now the background color is coming on full button, so just come back and here we will write button hover, then a span, and here we will add width 100%, and in this span we will write width 0. So initially width will be 0, and let's add transition 0.5 seconds, and let's copy it again, then write border none. That's it. After adding this, you can see if I move cursor over the button, the background color is moving from the left side to the right side. And this button hover effect looks very good. And the same hover effect you can see on the second button also. So this is how we have completed this beautiful website design using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe Easy Tutorials YouTube channel to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.